Copenhagen, the capital city of Denmark, is a captivating metropolis that effortlessly combines historic charm, modern innovation, and a vibrant cultural scene. Nestled along the shores of the Øresund Strait, Copenhagen is a city of contrasts where medieval architecture coexists with sleek contemporary designs, creating a dynamic urban landscape that offers a plethora of experiences for travelers. Copenhagen's historic heart is the enchanting Nyhavn harbor, with its colorful 17th-century townhouses and bustling waterfront. This iconic area offers picturesque boat rides, lively cafes, and a glimpse into the city's maritime heritage. Nearby, the historic Rosenborg Castle and Amalienborg Palace provide insights into Denmark's royal history, while the charming Christiansborg Palace is a hub of political activity. The city's architectural marvels are juxtaposed with cutting-edge designs, as exemplified by the striking black diamond building of the Royal Danish Library and the modern Copenhagen Opera House. The iconic Little Mermaid statue, inspired by Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tale, stands as a symbol of the city's whimsical charm. Copenhagen's cultural scene is vibrant and diverse, with world-class museums, galleries, and theaters to explore. The National Museum offers an immersive journey through Danish history, while the Louisiana Museum of Modern Art showcases an impressive collection of contemporary artworks against a stunning natural backdrop. The city's iconic Tivoli Gardens, one of the world's oldest amusement parks, captivates visitors with its charming rides, concerts, and enchanting atmosphere. The culinary scene in Copenhagen has gained international recognition, boasting numerous Michelin-starred restaurants and a commitment to new Nordic cuisine. The city's food markets, such as Torvhallerne, offer a feast for the senses with fresh produce, gourmet delights, and international flavors. Exploring the cozy cafes and enjoying a Danish smørrebrød, open-faced sandwich, is a culinary must-do. Copenhagen's commitment to sustainability is evident in its bike-friendly streets, green spaces, and eco-conscious initiatives. The city's parks, including Kongens Have and Fælledparken, provide serene spots for relaxation and picnics, while the Øresund Bridge offers an opportunity for a day trip to Malmö, Sweden. The city's cultural events and festivals contribute to its vibrant atmosphere. The Copenhagen Jazz Festival, Copenhagen Fashion Week, and Copenhagen Cooking and Food Festival attract enthusiasts from around the world. The historic meatpacking district has transformed into a trendy area with galleries, cafes, and nightlife venues that cater to various tastes. Copenhagen is a city that seamlessly blends history, innovation, and cultural richness. Whether you're exploring its historic landmarks, immersing yourself in its art scene, savoring its culinary delights, or experiencing its urban energy, Copenhagen promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Danish heritage, contemporary expression, and the dynamic spirit of a city that embraces tradition while embracing progress.